I'm going to teach you how to verify your Google Ads account in 2025. Verifying your account is an essential step to fully utilize Google Ads, reach more customers, and improve your advertising efficiency. Let's get started. First, go to the Google Ads homepage and click the Sign In button. Make sure you use the credentials linked to your account. Logged in, you'll arrive at the Google Ads dashboard, where you can manage campaigns, view performance insights, and explore tools to optimize your ads. Take a moment to get familiar if the interface looks slightly different, as Google frequently updates it for a better experience. Next, navigate to the billing section in the menu. It's crucial to review all billing details carefully. Accurate billing information ensures smooth account verification and prevents potential issues with payments, budgets, or ad approvals in the future. Now, locate the Advertiser verification tab within the billing section. This step helps Google confirm that you are a genuine advertiser following their policies. Click on the tab and follow the prompts. Google may ask for your business address, tax information, or government-issued IDs, depending on your location and business type. Make sure all information is accurate and up to date to avoid delays. Once submitted, Google will review your details. You'll receive an email notification once your account is successfully verified. The review usually doesn't take long, but be ready to provide additional documents if requested. And that's it. You can unlock more features, reach a wider audience, and improve your business visibility. Verification also adds trust and credibility to your campaigns, ensuring smoother ad approvals. Regularly monitor your account, optimize your campaigns, and take full advantage of Google Ads tools for maximum results. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your advertising journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay updated for more helpful tips. Happy verifying.